Hello fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. So today I am here with a new interesting video, Churidar Payjami drafting. So watch the video till end. So let's start with the process of drafting. So in today's video we'll be learning about the drafting of Churidar Payjami or Churidar pants. So let's start with the process. So this we are going to plan for the age group of 18 years, and the measurement that we require, there are lots of measurement required for this particular garment because this is very beautiful and very you can say very elegant garment which gives a gather effect at the ankle and it looks very beautiful. The measurements are, first is the pant length. Of course, here we are taking the pant length is 40 inches. Second is the hip length, yani that means waist to hip, that is 8 inches. Third is knee length, that means from waist to knee, this is 20 to 21 inches. Here we'll be taking 21 inches. And then calf length, that means hip waist to calf, that is 30 to 31 inches. Here we'll be taking 31 inches. And next is the all round hips. All round hips is 36 inches. Next is all round knees. All round knees, it depends, but here we'll be taking 17 inches. All round calf, it depends again, but here we'll be taking 14 inches. And all round bottom, that means the width of the bottom, here we'll be taking 12 inches. So these all measurements are required. Now let's start with the process. Here we are taking a line AB on fold, of course, where AB is equal to 40 inches, that means the pant length. We'll square out a point C from point A as AC is equal to 12 inches, that means 1/3 of the all round hips. It may increased or decreased as per the taste of the wearer. Now I will square out a point D from point C as CD is equal to 13 inches or more. This is the crotch length, depends upon the comfort. This is in general, this is 1/3 of the all round hips plus 1 inch, 1 inch for the ease, right? Or it may depend, it may vary. Now we'll mark a point E as A to E is equal to knee length, that means 20 or 21 inches, whatever you are taking. Now we'll mark a point F as A to F is equal to calf length, that means 30 to 31 inches as what you are taking. And now we'll take a point this E to E dash, that is half of the all round knee. If you want to add, you can add half inch for the ease or 1/4 inch for the ease, it depends, right? Now F to F dash is equal to half of the all round calf, or you may add 0.5 inches or 1/4 inches, depends upon you. 7.5 I am taking here. And now this is half of the bottom, that is B to B dash. Half of the bottom, that means 6 inches. There is no need to add half inch or ease or something because this is already with the ease. Now we'll mark a point from D to D dash is equal to 1 inches. This is the for the shape of the crotch to provide the comfort to the wearer. And we'll join C to D dash. Again we'll join with a dotted line E to D dash, E dash to D dash, E dash to F dash, and F dash to B dash. This will give the point. Now we'll mark a point O on line E dash D dash, which is the midpoint, right? And now we'll mark a perpendicular O dash 1 inch. O to O dash is equal to 1 inch. And now we'll give the shape either with the French curve or with the hands, this. Now we'll extend it for the gathers. This may vary, depends upon the wearer's choice. Here I am taking 6 inches, or you may take 10 inches, 12 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, as what you like. And again I am marking the bottom. G to G dash is equal to B to B dash. That means the width of the half of the bottom, 6 inches. Now we'll extend it to join. So this is all the garment, and it cuts on bias generally to give the beautiful gathers effect, and this is the fold line. So this is all about the drafting. Now we'll see how we will cut this on the fabric, because this is most important. Then this is as important as drafting is. But how much fabric we have to take? Suppose we are taking the fabric of 34 to 36 inches width. So what would be the length of the fabric that we have to take? First we'll add pant length 40 plus extended area, extension what we have taken for the gathers. Here I have taken 6 inches, so I'll be adding 6 inches, and plus the crotch length. Here we have taken 13 inches crotch length, so I am taking this 13 inches, and plus adjustment area we have to take 6, 7 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, whatever you can take, but generally this is 6 to 7 inches adjustment area, right? So this is entirely 65 inches of fabric. The width of the fabric is 34 or 36 and length is 65. So this is 34 and this is against selvage. This is 34 inches and this is suppose the fair side of the fabric. We have to keep the fair side in and we have to stitch the width of the fabric 34 inches wala. We have to stitch this. It would look like this only. I have stitched both the portions. Now what we'll do, we'll mark a point of 8 to 10 inches or more, depends upon the width of the garment. Thus I am marking 10 inches, a point from the upside on the selvage, right? This is 10 inches. Now we'll just pinch the point like this and you have to stitch the entire selvage to each other. You just have to close this till the end. Here you can see this is a little complicated. Let's see it again. We'll just have to pinch, you just have to take that point which we have marked and we have to stitch the entire selvage. This is very important part of this garment. If you learn this, it will be easier for you to cut it on bias like this, and then we have to stitch this entirely. Like it will be just like a pouch kind of a structure. See, you can see I have stitched this. This is the pouch kind of a structure. So now what we'll do, from one side I'll just adjust it just like the corners should be in front of each other and we'll cut this. Both the stitch corners are on one side, we have to cut this, and the same thing we will be doing on the another side. See, like this, right? And now we will spread this evenly. Automatically this is on bias. The fold lines, both the fold lines are on bias. See, it will look like this only. Now we will draft the pant on this. This is crotch, this is the leg and extended area, then the bottom, something like this, and the second portion will be cut like this. This is the crotch. You can put the pattern on these lines. See, so this is the way. It is automatically on bias now. When we'll cut, I'll show it to you. See, I'm cutting it, the outlines only. You must have to keep one thing in your mind. that these all joints should not be on the bottom area. See, this is the biased. You can see I have tried my level best to keep all the joints above the knee. So see, this you have to stitch like this only. This is one leg and this is second leg. See, this channel garment